COVID-19 has affected just about every part of our lives, and it can have a profound effect on death. Because of pandemic restrictions, a palliative care home in Quebec was forced to wheel a patient out into the cold. The reason? So she could see her loved ones one last time. Mike Armstrong has the heart-wrenching moment her family wants you to see.
It was clear what this was, a final goodbye. Justine Bouchard, the woman on that bed, had one last wish, to see her family together. The COVID-19 rules at the Palliative Care Centre in Alma, Quebec, don't allow more than 10 visitors. Bouchard has more than 10 brothers and sisters. Add to that her 2 children and 6 grandchildren. Her son says having to choose who in the family could see her and who couldn't didn't work. It wasn't something they could do. Bouchard spent 2 months in hospital. She went in on Christmas Day. The rules there were even tighter. She was only allowed one visitor, her husband. Now, there was frustration with the rules at the palliative care home, but there was also appreciation. It was Bouchard who told her sister-in-law and best friend to invite our colleagues at the French network TVA. She says soon she won't be around, but asks people to try and make efforts like this one to help people. Since the crisis started, there have been visits through windows and goodbyes over phones and iPads, whether it was COVID-19 or something else. Staffs have tried to be creative, but it's been a challenge. Bouchard's family says there should have been a way to hold this visit inside. The home's director says they would like to operate the way they did pre-COVID, but that they have to worry about other patients as well. They do what they can. Well, as she was being wheeled back inside, Bouchard told her best friend it was the last time she'd see her family. She was right. Justine Bouchard died just hours after this visit. Mike Armstrong, Global News.